But I wanted to show a technique that I organically came up with, and this is called, part of it is the 2-hour battle drill, but one of those things is how I can go ahead and look at other targets while not messing up on a stop and reverse. So I would take the old stop limit and just move it down to the high a day. That's it. That's just it. So if this thing stopped and reverses again, see how this kind of fish walking that way? Or dragon walking, or whatever you want to call it, vacillating there. I want to be able to get this in case it breaks off, because I do have an anticipation of a positive direction. Then the other thing is, right away I could just demonstrate again the basic sniper entry pattern. As long as we're here, we got this. This is a moving regression line 10 crossing the simple moving average 3. The next thing is the moving regression line 10 crossing the spine of the dragon right there. Maybe I can move that out of the way. I like to mark up my charts as I'm going too, just so I can see what's going on. Then the next thing is going to be looking for this little blueberry looking guy here, and that's going to be the PSAR flip, which should happen. Some people like to front run the PSAR flip on that. I did that once before and I lost 0.9, so I'm just going to wait for my confirmation, because today is just kind of a grind and nothing's really going nutty. Got my manageable risk box all set up, ready to go in case it decides it's going to help me out. What we'll do is we'll make a duplicate over here, this one, and we'll be ready in case it decides to give us an entry. Okay, well that's it. Bill with the Sniper Report.